Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make yogurt salad with cucumber. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. Our ingredients: 1.5 cup of plain natural yogurt, 1 cucumber, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 spoon of dry mint. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our salad. First, we have to cut the cucumber. Secondly, whisk the yogurt. Third, add the garlic and the dry mint in the yogurt and whisk it again. Finally, add the cucumber and stir all together. And that's it. Our salad is ready. It's a very delicious and easy to make. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.